How's it going, guys? Back again with another video. Here again. I just got off of work. I hope everyone's having a great Monday. I know it's pretty rough. Mondays are always rough. But like I said, I just got off of work about an hour ago. I'm about to go to my second job here soon. I hope everyone is enjoying themselves, busting their butts, getting everything done, checking off those goals, and getting to it. Today's video is going to be one that I enjoy a lot. It's going to be about investing and learning to invest. I believe that that is something very important to people that we should learn. It is a topic that is usually kind of overlooked. I know with the whole entrepreneurship thing that some people do have, a little bit grasp on what it is and their own little investments, but this is a topic I just wanted to cover today real quick before I go into my second job. And yeah, basically where we're going to start is the different means of investing. We're not going to really, cover all of the broad topics on this issue, but I just want to give you guys a few ideas on what you can possibly invest in. And the best way to start, I believe, which is one that I personally used over the years, was the Robinhood app. It's an app where you can trade stocks. It's mostly based off of stock trading. It does have some crypto trading and stuff like that. I don't personally trade crypto from Robinhood. There's a whole list of issues behind that if you want to research on that, but personally, I would not trade crypto from Robinhood. That's my own personal opinion. You can do it if you want to. That's only my opinion. But outside of that, Robinhood is where I kind of dipped my foot in the trading stocks, starting out. And honestly, I made some good money from it. I learned a lot of good lessons. I took some losses, of course, and I also made some gains as well. I made a little bit of money as well. It's something that when I first started learning about stocks, that I used to work with a guy, and we used to trade stocks all the time at work because we worked on computers a lot, so we had a lot of time to do that. And once I got into it and got a few tips, did a little research on it, it was definitely an app that I would recommend using for beginners. So again, the Robinhood app. If you haven't got it, if you're just learning about trading stocks, download the Robinhood app. If you get somebody to sign up as well, I believe you get a free stock or something like that. But a lot of those free stock trading apps are pretty much the same way. If you get somebody to sign up, you'll get a free stock or two or something like that. Another means of investing for those looking to do something, I guess it would be considered a little bit more advanced, depending on who you are. The Coinbase app. Coinbase is where you trade crypto. Robinhood is stocks. Coinbase is crypto. I know a lot of people have a lot of opinions about crypto. I know a lot of people don't even know what crypto still is. People usually know what Bitcoin is. But there's way many more coins than that. There's a lot of other cryptocurrencies than that. And Coinbase, from my standpoint and my personal opinion, is another area where you can invest and learn about trading cryptocurrencies. I personally have made a decent fair amount of money on cryptocurrency through Coinbase. I have helped others make some decent money on crypto. And again, if that's something you want to dive a little bit into, go to YouTube, start doing your research on cryptocurrency and how to trade it. Another more traditional base of investing would be, like your Roth IRAs, your 401k plans. I think I said that right. 401k. I'm pretty sure I said that right. Yeah, so those are your more traditional forms of investing. 401, Roth or IRA, stuff like that. You know, that stuff usually comes with your job, or you can also do it on your own. But yeah, definitely those are, for me personally, again, as suggestions, stocks, cryptocurrency, Roth IRA, and your 401k. If you want to, if you're young, even if you're not young, I mean, investing really wasn't taught to a lot of people in school. And I think that's a huge problem. And I think it's something that more schools need to start teaching the younger generations, because it is very important. And it's just mind blowing to me that schools don't really dive deep into what investing is and teaching kids about investing as adults when they get out of school. So yeah, another quick thing on investing. Another way you can invest is basically like trading gold and silver and different minerals and stuff. I don't really. I've I've bought silver bars, just silver in general. I bought some silver in the past. I didn't really dive deep into it, but if you want physical assets that appreciate with time, I would definitely recommend looking at like your different minerals like gold, silver, platinum. I don't really have that website that I used to use on hand with me, but that's also a great means of investing as well, especially if you can buy a couple gold coins here and there every couple weeks, every little paycheck you get. You know, buy a gold coin here, buy a gold coin there. It starts to add up over a while, and as we know, the price of gold is, yeah, it's there. So if you got the right amount and make the right choices, you can have something worthwhile in the long run. But again, I just wanted to go back to what I said earlier. I really wish that the school systems would teach investing to younger people, the younger kids, and help, you know, adults transition better. I think that learning about investing would be something that would help so many people out. But for some reason, our school systems just don't really cover that. And I mean, I guess I understand, but yeah, I don't get it. I really don't. But that's why we're here. We're here to learn. We're here to self-improve. We're here to grow as people, no matter if you're young, you're old. That's why we're here. That's why I'm doing this channel. I'm trying to help everyone as a whole collectively grow and learn different things about being better people. And that includes myself. I'm trying to work on myself every single day. And yeah, I'm just here to help. And if you're willing to listen, I'm glad you're here to show support. But like I said, I got to get ready to go off to my second job. After that, I might possibly hit the gym. Not sure yet. It's going to be a long day. It's already been a long day. But thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, if you have any comments, tips, or tricks, feel free to put them below in the comment section. Like and give me a follow if possible. And I will see you guys tomorrow.